Neo-Noir pack has arrived. Let's have a look what's inside. In the pack you'll find 1 power grade, 3 creative looks, 3 soundtracks, and a walkthrough of the pack. When you open the zip file, inside you'll have 11-minute walkthrough, test clip, 3 soundtrack files, and a power grade. Drop your test clip in your project, drop your soundtracks in your project too, right-click on your test clip, create a new timeline, uncheck Use Project Settings, then go to Format, Timeline Resolution, and make it 4K. Next, Project Settings, Color Management, Color Science, Davinci YRGB, Color Space, Wide Gamut, and Output Color Space Rec 709 Scene. On the test clip you can find information like time of the day, camera settings, and light settings. Now open Color page, navigate back to your folder, and drag in DRX Power Grade to your gallery. Right-click, Apply Grade, Power Grade opens up, and now here are your 3 looks. Let's turn on Cyber, and this is how it looks like. To customize it further, open Curves, unlink the channels, click on the red channel and move the dot on the curve and see the variation of the look. Turn off Cyber and turn on Matrix, and this is how it looks like. Now enable green channel and move the dot and see the variation. Turn off Matrix and enable Color Warper. That's the results. Now go to your Color Warper tab, enable the pointer and move the top point and see how the face changes. And now move the bottom point and see how the surroundings change. Go to your gallery and add a power grade album, name it Neo, and drop your grade in there to use across other projects. This pack is free, but if you want to support my work and dive deeper, grab Neo-Noir Pack version 2 with extra shots, raw files, soundtracks, lighting mini class, and full Davinci walkthrough. Your support keeps these resources coming.